Isn't this the cutest little video? It is really going to get your customer to stop scrolling and pay attention, especially if you send this to them to let them know that you have a special treat in the mail just heading their way. I'm going to show you how I made it, so stick around. I'm Deb Rayleigh with the Social Tech team, and I teach social sellers, direct sellers, and small business owners how to use digital tools in their businesses. Today, let's jump into Canva, and I'll show you how I made it. Let's go. Let's get started by opening up Canva and creating our design. Let's make an Instagram story. And from here, we're going to pull in a video that you should have already created and uploaded to your video section. Over on the left on uploads, if I go to video, here is the video I have of myself with my hand out. You will need the pro version to remove the background. So if I click on edit video, remove the background, there we go, and I'll make this a little bit smaller. The next thing I'm going to add, the next element, is my product. So again, on the uploads section in the images, I'll scroll down until I find my product, and in this case I used my tumbler cup. There we go. Same as with the video, I'm going to edit photo and remove the background. I'll make this a little smaller as well. And now I need two more elements to bring in. One is going to be my butterfly, and if I type in butterfly in the search bar, if I click on the three lines with the circles, I want to select animated. That will show me the animated butterflies. You'll see there's a lot to choose from. You could even use a bumblebee or a bird. But I'll use this blue butterfly here. I'm going to make it a little smaller. There we go. I'm also going to use a line. And it's just going to be a static line. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to rotate this because the line is going to connect the butterfly and the cup. So let me move this down. Let me move the butterfly down. Let me reposition the line to the back. All right, I have my three elements, and what I need to do is connect all three of these. So I'll click on one element, hold shift, click the second, click the third, and then you'll notice this word group pop up. I click group, and now they're grouped together. So I'm going to start them off right here on my hand. And then once I click this group, and it's all outlined in purple, if I click on animate in the top left and click on create an animation, now when I click on this and move it, you'll see this purple line show up. This is the path that this image is going to follow as it travels off the page. If I click on steady on the left-hand side of the screen, it makes it flow just a little bit smoother. All right, now that we have this, let's go ahead and add in our text on the left-hand side of the screen. I'll click T for text. I'll just use something that's kind of already has a format to it. I'm going to move it over to the right side. I'm going to change the wording. And this is, as you can see, if I click on this, it has a grouping of one type of font with another type of font. So I'm going to ungroup those and then move the second type of font down, and I'm going to change that to my business name. And there we have it. I've got a cute little image or video and a great little phrase. And so if I click on play, it should float out. There we go. Super cute. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I think your customers are going to love it. Good luck.